if you want to enable or disable dynamic island on OPPO Reno 15, what you can do is you can go to settings. Now over here in settings we can find notifications and quick settings, and then in here we can find live alerts, and this is pretty much the name of the dynamic island on OPPO Reno 15. Unfortunately we cannot completely deactivate these capsules, this dynamic island, but what you can do is you can turn off everything you can over here. So you can, for example, turn off specific apps over here so they will not be displayed, and also some services. Of course, still, if you, let's say, I don't know, like enable do not disturb or something like that, you know, use certain features of the system, then they might be displayed on the live alerts capsule anyway. And unfortunately there's not much you can do. On the other hand, if you want to use this feature, then of course it is just pretty straightforward. It is enabled by default, and you can go over here and you can make sure that all of these apps are, and these services as well, are enabled. Leave a like and subscribe.